Monday. Hey, Monday update. The top is rounded over and we've sanded everything. We popped the grain on the top so it's ready for the final sanding before finish. Now I've got these leaves dialed in and I've got to attach the aprons for the leaves. So I'm using my Armor Tool, Irwin, and Jorgensen clamps. I've got them all lined up with the existing aprons, and I've got pocket holes back here that I'm going to go ahead and put those in. That's how I'm holding it in place. And if you're looking, I didn't want the seam of the tabletop to be in line with this seam. And it actually offers a little more support for this leaf because this leaf sits on that. So that's kind of what I went with. Let me know what you're doing in the shop today.